Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learn what is RESTful web services. So it's very important who wants to upgrade and who wants to enter in this particular services, how to write, how to create, and what is the usage. If we know, if we can easily choose a career in this RESTful. So really, in my knowledge and my experience, how I can justify this is, it's a RESTful services are getting a great career in your future. So you may try to apply your career in RESTful. Yes. So this question answer I am trying to getting using ChatGPT. The first time if you are watching this video channel, please do subscribe and support. So ChatGPT is an open source AI tool where we can get many of the question solutions and clear the universal standards we will get here. So what is RESTful API web services? So let's see like a ChatGPT how it is going to be supported. Yes, perfectly it is given. RESTful API is nothing but representational state transfer, a web service architecture which is using to work with the HTTP protocol. So HTTP protocol is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol, where we can see the website, any website you may find, it will begin with HTTP or HTTPS. So HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol and HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocol secure, where you can use most of the bank websites and secure websites will use for HTTPS only. This is very important interview question again. So HTTP methods to access, manipulate resources, data and functionality. Yes, you can collect the data and as well as the business logic over the internet. Yes, using the services like you are calling something and you are trying to getting something using these services only. These request services, we can say that RESTful API. So a RESTful API is a set of rules that define how clients such as web browsers can interact with the main server, like where the services are providing, he is the main server. So using these RESTful services only, you can call and get the information and you can avail the service to your local machine or local server. So RESTful APIs use a client server model where the client sends the request to the server and server will do the process and respond what the request based on the request from the server. It may be the request formally, like we can say that like a JSON object or XML. These two are most popular in RESTful services. If you want to learn RESTful service where you need to understand what is JSON object or how to prepare an XML. Yes. And RESTful APIs use a standard HTTP methods such as methods. Means what is the method? Why we require to use the method? To get data, to send data, we'll use these methods. So before priorly, you just aware of it, what the methods, how to use. Yes, get method is there for getting a data from the server. Post method is there to like asynchronization, sending and getting. Post will do both activities. So put and delete to create, read, update and delete resources. Like you may hear about the CRUD operations, like data inserting, data updating, data modification, data deletion. Yes, these functionalities by using HTTP methods of get, post, put, delete, this will be replaced on commands. While writing a method you are sending through your request, using these methods you will do the RESTful APIs. See, the key features of RESTful APIs are stateless. Really, these are very important points. Stateless. The server does not store any client context between requests, such as a request contains all the necessary information for the server to understand the request. Client cannot be hold any of the information. The request what it is passing, all the things will be there inside the request only. Uniform interface. The interface accessing resources is standardized using HTTP methods, URIs, Uniform Resource Locator. Yes, it is called also like identifiers, URI, and media type like JSON or XML objects only. Catchable. Responses from the RESTful API can be catched to improve the performance. And layered system. The architecture can be divided into layers to improve scalability of the security. Yes. Most of the security system will be implemented while RESTful, like a random generated what we can say, that token system to authenticate the request is genuine or not, to validating. Yes, both end, server side as well as client side, it will be implemented in a mechanism based on the client as well as the application development requirement. Client server. The client server are separated so they can evolve independently. Server can offer the services, client can request the service. Yes, these clients may be mobile app, desktop app, or web app, or any other service or any other machine. From there directly you can access the services and you can avail the service. These are the advantages in RESTful APIs. So RESTful APIs are having vast career growth in future. So RESTful APIs are widely used for building web applications, mobile applications, because they are easy to understand and integrate with various programming languages. Yes, any programming language you may interact. Maybe the server is offering some other services and you can call the RESTful API services to you can avail the service. And your application may be done with the prior to like a old language or new language or whatever it's immaterial. RESTful APIs will understand many of the services and servers. I hope this video lecture is helping you more knowledge to building RESTful API, about to RESTful API, what it is, how it is, key points. If you feel really helpful, please do subscribe and support today. Thank you.